head's like not in the... You're too tall! Let's go back. That's before... Start off! That was... I look like a guy. Watch out for the salmonella. You know it's a killer. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Don't forget to breathe. Kevin! He was a young warthog. When I was a young warthog. Thanks. He found his aroma like a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal. I'm a sensitive soul, though I seem thick-skinned. And it hurts that my friends never stood down with.
I wouldn't stand with you.
And no, the shame! He was ashamed, not changing my name. Oh, once in a name, and I got downhearted. How did you feel every time that I... Not in front of the kids. Oh, sorry. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Yeah, sing it, kid. It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Wow, that's depressing that we can do that.
You live here?